Struggling with messy spreadsheets, slower reports, and complicated audit systems? In today's world, a simple accounting system may just not be enough. You need a smarter, flexible system which can grow with your business. In this video, we will see how Sage 300 Cloud ERP can help you get the systems running faster, give you more accurate and quick, easy access to your reports, and also connect with other systems and help you scale your business easily. Let's get started. Whether you're a business owner, a finance manager, or a sales executive, trading operations come with their own unique challenges. Are these familiar to you? How quickly can you generate accurate sales and financial reports for decision making? How easy is it for your team to enter and manage sales data without intensive training? Can your current system integrate with your logistics, CRM, or e-commerce platforms as your business grows? If any of these questions made you pause, then Sage 300 Cloud ERP might just be the right solution for you. Let's see how. Sage 300 comes with a beautiful utility which is called Sage Intelligence Reporting, and it can help you generate reports, and it uses Excel as the platform to generate those reports for you. In this example in front of me, I have opened a sales report which gives me information by customer and inventory, the total quantity sold, what was the selling price, what was the cost, and how much GP or gross profit did we make on this one. This is created using pivot table. So if I right click and use the option to show the pivot list available fields, I can simply choose whatever fields I want to add onto the report. So for example, let's say I want to make it more detailed. I want to see it by document. So if I click on the document number, now I can see that this particular item has been sold on these two invoices. Similarly, for all the inventory information. Now let us remove this. Now maybe you want to summarize this report. Maybe you want to see the customer wise profitability. In that case, I can simply remove the item information and I don't need, let's say, the quantity. So I have got here the sales value for each customer, the total cost, and the gross profit made. Now, if you want to use this report as it is, maybe you want to create a more detailed report for yourself. So I can create one, and then I can see for this detailed report, I want to include maybe the year, the order number, the document number, or maybe I don't want to have more details on this one. Maybe I want to get a profitability by inventory item. So in that case, I can say that, okay, I want inventory item and I don't need my customers. So here now I've got inventory item wise profitability report in front of me. So I can simply mold this report according to my requirement. Then you'll have additional options. You can simply filter these reports for different salesperson, customer groups, inventory category, so on and so forth. You can use Excel filters, which helps you. So this is something which most of the accountants and business owners already use. So you don't have to learn a new platform of reporting, try to understand how to get your reports done, or you don't have to worry about getting the reports customized with somebody. All of this can be done using the Excel's powerful technology and business intelligence reporting from Sage. One more critical element for any business is the receivables report. Let's see how Sage Intelligence Receivables Report can help us get this information out quickly. In front of us, we have got a customer aging report, which comes with predefined graphs at the top customers by values which are overdue. Now this is already generated in an Excel format, so it comes with a neat formatting. Plus you have the option of selecting the fields that you want to add in this report. Additionally, it comes with slices. So if you just want to filter the report for your different account sets, you will be able to do it with a click of a button using the Excel functionality again. Similarly, you will be able to draw out your aged payables report. You can even look at the cash flow projection option in the system, which is available and which can help you project the cash flows based on your receivables and payables, which you have already accounted for. Another important element for any business is the financial statement reporting. Now for the MIS, the system comes with predefined income statement and balance sheet reports, which you can use out of the box. Additionally, you can even customize your reports. Like in front of us, I've customized a report to show 12 months of profit and loss in the same one place. This way we can customize our own reports for a quarterly reporting or half-yearly reporting, or based on your audit requirements or internal management reporting. And once you have designed your own reports, you don't have to do it again. So that report can get generated the same way every time you run that same report. Sage 300 Cloud ERP also has a powerful browser access feature. This way you can access your company's data with an internet connection with no desktop installation required. You will get real-time access to your financial and operational data. get a user-friendly interface to full ERP functionality. This is how Sage 300 will support remote and hybrid work in your company. This way, you'll be able to keep your team productive and connected from wherever they are. What's even better, Sage 300 is scalable and API friendly. That means it grows with your business. So if you are using tools like Salesforce, Shopify, or any other e-commerce platform, it can integrate seamlessly with those platforms using the API technology. So are you ready to eliminate manual work, get better visibility, and scale your trading business with confidence? In front of us, we have the sales order entry screen of Sage 300, where first we select the customer. Then you can select from which location you are making the sales order from, and you can quickly jump to your item selection or the inventory item selection screen. When clicking on the finder, you'll be able to find different items here based on different criteria. And these columns which are appearing in front of you can also be set up according to your own requirements. For this example, I'm selecting the first item that I have in my list. And I can choose which price list I want to select, or I can assign these price lists to the customers by default. So the prices can be picked up from there directly. The location has been set as location number 1, or I can change the location to choose the ones whichever are applicable. When I click on the finder screen, I can quickly see the quantity status also by location, or easily you can see them at the bottom of the screen. So when you have selected an item at this location, I've got 529 pieces on hand to sell from. How many pieces are on sales orders, how many are on purchase orders, how many have been committed by you to your customers, and finally what is the available quantity. If you want to see, let's say, details about the purchase orders, you can click on the drill down function here, and then you'll be able to see a list of all the expected arrival dates for these 290 pieces and from which suppliers are they coming. Now, moving on, you select how many pieces the customer plans to order. The price has been picked up automatically, and then you can verify the taxes from the taxes tab, and then you can see the totals here including the taxes. Once you have confirmed all these details, you can simply post the order. But hang on, maybe you want to just check what is the customer outstanding at this stage. So instead of jumping to multiple reports, simply next to the customer you have an inquiry screen. Once you enter the inquiry screen, you will be able to find out all the information that you're looking for regarding this customer in one place. So this helps your sales team avoid delays in trying to check multiple reports or multiple places to find the right information. Now let's say in this case, I just want to quickly check the credit status of this customer by document date. When I click on this, I can see what is the total outstanding. It also tells me how many invoices are open and how many days does the customer usually take to pay me. Now these numbers are from a sample company, so they are quite inflated at this stage. Similarly, you'll be able to find information related to their latest orders, all the invoices, or if you want to see the item-wise sales by year and period, how much they have bought for any specific item and at what price you've sold it to them. All this information in one single place. Once you have the information confirmed everything is fine, you can go ahead and post this order. Now this becomes an order confirmation or a sales order for your company. You can print it using the print option, and these layouts can be customized according to your requirements. Now let's say the order is confirmed and you want to ship it and invoice the customer. So you could do that all from the same screen. You can simply say that I want to ship all of these quantities and I want to create an invoice at this stage. And now if I click the post button again, the system will automatically create the shipment or the delivery note and the sales invoice for this order in these two simple clicks. You will be able to print all of these, like the order confirmation, picking step and invoice, or you can choose which ones you want to print and then just simply click yes. That's how fast your order entry system can become. Connect with Sefi Computers team today and see how Sage 300 can transform your business. Click the link below to schedule a personalized Sage 300 demo and discover the power of Sage 300 Cloud for your company.